Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can record meeting on Zoom. So log into Zoom application with ID and password. I'm showing you for starting a meeting. Okay, now you'll find here more option. Just click on more, and you'll find here record on this computer. Just click on this.
Recording in progress.
And your recording is progress. Okay, so if you want to pause your recording, just click on pause.
Recording stopped.
If you want to play, you can play.
Recording in progress.
If your recording has done, just click on this.
Recording stopped.
Okay, and your recording has done and it has been saved to your computer. So another thing you can do is, if your screen is full like this, you'll find detect a record option here. Just click on this and your recording will be started. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.